Once upon a time, there lived a monkey and an elephant in a forest. One day, they started fighting. I am very strong. I am good at carrying heavy logs. Ha ha ha, but I am very quick. I am good at jumping from one tree to another. Who is fighting loudly? I want to sleep. Sorry, very sorry. Please tell us who is better, the elephant or I? He is strong, but I am quick. Don't worry, we will find out. There is a mango tree just across the river. Go and bring a sweet ripe mango from there. Then I will tell you who is better. Then strolled the elephant and hopped the monkey to the river bank. Oh, I am afraid to cross the river. Water is very deep. I am going back. Don't worry, dear. Jump on my back and we will cross the river. There was a mango tree with sweet yellow ripe mangoes, but they were on high branches. Oh no, I can't reach. How can I give the mango to the owl? That's so easy. Let me do it. The monkey jumped on the mango tree quickly and picked up a sweet ripe mango. They came back to the wise old owl and gave him the mango. He was very happy. Now you tell me who is better. Elephant and monkey forgot their fight and owl forgot its nap. I am strong, the monkey is quick, and you are wise. All of us are good at something. What about you, my friends? What are you good at?
Like and subscribe.